When LWPython sees a class definition, it records the class name and the method headers in the class map. The map entry key is the class name. The entry value is also a map with the following entries: bases, which is a list of base classes if there are any, methods, which is a map of method headers, and line, which is the location of the class header. Python does not read or execute any of the method bodies. As with functions, Python only executes methods when they are called. The methods map entry key is the method name. The entry value is also a map with the following entries: params, which is a list of method parameters, if any, and line, which is the location of the method header. For example, consider the following program. This program contains three classes: animal, restaurant, and planet. The animal class has three methods: run, sleep, and eat. The restaurant class has one method, menu, and the planet class has one method, shape. And this is the corresponding class map. There are three keys for each of the three classes, and the values are the class information. The animal class information is the following. There are three keys: line, bases, and methods. The methods entry contains three entries for each of the three methods in the class. Finally, this is the sleep method information. The params entry consists of the two parameters for the sleep method, and the line entry is the location of the sleep method, which is in line 4. Whenever we make a method call, Python looks up the method in the class map. For example, if we call the sleep method of the animal class, Python first retrieves the entry at key animal in the class map. Next, Python retrieves the entry at key methods of the animal map. Finally, Python retrieves the entry at key sleep of the methods map. Here is the same operation using the indexing notation.